Huh? No, don't worry, you're not in it. It's above your head. It's above your head, sweetheart. But I think you look just fine.
I like what I'm getting at here.
The smell of smoke is ridiculous. It's intoxicating. Oh, God. Let's see if we can walk up this a little bit. This was once a house. There's one house right there. Was once. Unbelievable. Took us 2 hours to walk in to even get here.